Hello. Hello, hello, hello. So what are we doing now? Parcel? Okay. Parcel. Why have I got my legs up? I just sat down. Just laid back. I'm tired. The hype has worn off of the orange. I'm up now. I'm up for my parcel. Parcel. But that weird looking parcel, there's 3 things there. And that looked really heavy, the way that your hand was bending. So flip-flops, my flip-flops, they're not exactly new flip-flops, okay? Knickers. Knickers. Okay. And, oh, I get it, we're gonna go feed my birds. Bird food and knickers. What more can a girl ask for? I gotta put these on. How am I gonna put them on? I'm gonna have to move. I've got to figure out the right way round for them. Get them on. Right, I gotta stand up to pull them up. You know this, right? I got to. I'm gonna have to go up higher. There we go. They're on. I got me knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. I got me knickers on. Flip-flops are on. We want some water, do we? What do we want the water for? For the fountain. Okay. Let's go get some water. Let's go get some water. Feeling hot. I got some water. Now I gotta be careful not to trip up, because otherwise Mr. Producer's gonna get wet. And we're going down the garden. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You gotta follow my butt. The living room's a mess. Uh-oh. Patio door's closed. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. Uh-oh. Sit. Don't fall. There we go. You coming? There we go. It's trying. I think it needs cleaning, to be honest. Right then. What have they been eating down here? My little rabbits. And they've been knocking off the bird thing. At least they started eating out of these now. Believe it or not, that'll make a difference. Right. Peanuts, Peanuts, yeah. Can't believe the difference in the grass. The new grass that we put down, it just looks so much better. It's like I'm not walking on mud now. Flies keep attacking me. Right. Just peanuts on the table now. Peanuts on the table. Peanuts on the table. Oh, fountain's working again. Do do do. Imagine if I left these lids open. You would think it was Christmas. It would. Because they'd just be gone. More. Do 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 do. Whoa, I mean, just, you know, they all just fit it in. What do I need out of the bits and bobs? Just things for down there, because my stack of things still in. See it's still okay out there. Yeah. Well, it fit in. The box actually fit in. I'm very shocked. Alright, let's finish off the mealworm, shall we? The last box. Oh, it stinks. Oh, baby. There we go. That's lasted quite a while. I think I managed to get 4 out of that, and it was £10 though. So expensive mealworms though. It's ridiculous. I'm thinking that is it. Yeah, we're full. They heard me. Here we go. I'm wondering, you know, no, they are eating it from here. So that's alright then. They don't like it when something's different, my birds. They don't like that. So what I might do, if we go for a walk into some woodland, what? Huh? Break it up? I was thinking we could go put it in a tree in the woodland. Oh, plastic, yeah. Damage more than anything. Yeah, we can hammer it up, can't we, and put it on the table or something. That, I think I've seen one eat out of that, and that's a lot of seed in there. A lot. And when the rain comes again, it will start thinking, sprouting grass again, like it did last time. That they're not eating at all. So I think again, when we break that one up, we'll break that up. Seeds. That, I think it's from Wilco's or the pound shop. One of the two. No, I'll put it out on video. You have to watch it. That's nearly all God look. They like that. That has been there for ages. My coconuts. Now my coconuts don't normally last that long. No. Peanuts are always empty. They always go first. But yeah, there we go. So yeah, I love you all. I'm off. Don't forget to give it a like, give it a subscribe, come back and resubscribe because YouTube are unsubscribing my subscribers, limiting my views, changing thumbnails, changing links, changing the what's up next videos to not include mine anymore, but the top ones. So make sure you type in the search bar Adelesexyuk, get to see all the channels, all the videos, because we are channel hopping as well. They are taking off notifications as well. They're doing everything. They are taking off the likes as well. Yes, you're right there, Mr. Producer, taking off the comments. They're also, yeah, well, OnlyFans, VIP, $10 and the freebie. Twitter and Instagram, Adelesexyuk, and then we've got Coco Scope, Adelesexyuk as well. Me and my tweeters, we'll see you later.